Heliport baman kesni, awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
Shen and yo ka Shillong Tura ya kat LiengSuiñ Heliport ne helikopter. Ka kat LiengSuiñ Heliport ne helikopter Shen kan sawan ha Shillong ba Tura ong u Deputy Chief Minister nyo bhalang dhar. Udhar ula pente baya katendar la depen me bat ka sarkar kadang me shwa tang kini ki atli ki nong ba bat suki insale habaro ki nong ba jong ke district.
The tender has been floated and it seems they have a lot. They also one in Shillong, one in Tura. But the tender has been floated, but the work has been allotted or not, I'm not very sure. But we are yet it's under the process of allotment. Yes, Heliport, yes. Planning, but exactly the Ministry of Transport they told us let us do this too fast, and after that we are trying to do maybe with the other different district headquarters. But not immediately. Slowly we are coming to that all the important district headquarters, and we need it also.
Banyo iki kubon baman kesni, subscribe subscribe ka channel unang yalam news. Kumle shibu.